Hi, my name's Joan Jack and I am an independent Norwex distributor. And, if you just want to have a look at this pan here, what I've got in my hand is one of our envirocloths. This is the little red cloth. If you would have a look at this pan, this is a cast iron pan, which of course you can only wash with water. You can't wash cast iron with soap. And this morning we fried bacon and I had this side all clean with the water, and I used the water and the I don't know where it went now. Oh yeah, here it is. This Theory Spun, our Norwex scratcher thing, and then I wiped it off with my envirocloth, and then I was going to put it back on the stove, and then I felt something underneath. Okay, so that's bacon grease. So I'm just going to wipe. I believe in these products so much that I'm just going to wipe, and you'll see. I hope we don't hear my husband angrily talking about hunting rights in the background, but anyway. Okay. So, look at that. We just wiped that up, and if I wanted to, I would use my scratcher thing and finish that. All right. You're going to see a link at the end where you can order. Our mission is to make the world a safer place with less pollution, and I invite you to give me a call if you'd like. I'll also put my phone number at the end, and I can help you order.